Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to get your O-Kam Pro camera up and running fast? Let's jump right in. First, download the O-Kam Pro app from the App Store or Google Play. Search for O-Kam Pro, install it, and open the app. Now, let's add your camera. Tap the plus icon. You'll see options to scan a QR code or connect via wireless setup. Scan the QR code printed on your O-Kam Pro camera. Confirm you hear the prompt tone, then tap Next. If scanning doesn't work, choose wireless camera instead. Make sure your camera's indicator light is flashing or that you hear "Please use app for Wi-Fi configuration." If not, reset the camera by pressing and holding the reset button for about 5 seconds. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password. For the best compatibility, use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Point the camera at the QR code displayed on your phone, keeping it about 6 to 8 inches away until you hear a beep. Once connected, give your camera a name and tap Finish. Great. You should now see the live feed from your camera. That's all there is to. We're all set. Enjoy the peace of mind with your O-Kam Pro camera. For more detailed guides or troubleshooting, visit the official O-Kam Pro website or check the help section in the app.